In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate the observer in GoreBox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to activate the observer in GoreBox, you will need to trigger a boss fight. So if you have the latest version of GoreBox installed, triggering the observer can be done with a specific boss fight. To start this boss fight, you will have to hug the walls between the pipes under the lake area of the map Legacy. So, in the map Legacy, go to the lake area and hug the walls between the pipes under the lake. So when you go to take a swim on the lake, you go all the way down, you will find these pipes. All that you have to do now is hug the wall here. So keep walking along the wall like this. At first, nothing will happen, but as you keep walking, eventually you will see the interact icon like this. Once you see this interact icon, this means that you can now trigger the boss fight. I'm not gonna spoil it here, but as soon as you trigger this boss fight by interacting with it here, you will be transported to another map with a red tint. It is going to tell you to run, and your objective is going to be to find 10 blueprints before the observer next bot catches you. When you have all 10 of these blueprints, you will go to the top of the tower, interact with a desk, and you will be able to craft the tool gun. I'm not going to go into detail about how to defeat the observer, how to get all of these blueprints. I simply wanted to showcase how you can activate the observer, and as I've mentioned, this can be done by interacting with the walls under the lake in the Legacy map. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.